Hello students, there are Department of Information and Communication Technologies. Today is laboratory org theme is working with CMS, WordPress and Jooma web design with Photoshop, CSS and MySQL. Now let's start our laboratory work 9. First of all, I want to tell what is a CMS, a content management system, or CMS is a piece of software designed to help users create and edit a website. It's important to note, however, CMS do much more than help manage the text and image content displayed on web pages. They have evolved to help design the look of websites, track user sessions, handle searches, collect visitors' comments, host forms, and much more. Content management systems have been detected on over half of all websites, with an even higher percentage detected on the most popular domains. If you ever wonder which content management system is behind the website you are looking at, just plug the URL into the form above and we'll do our best to detect it for you. Now I want to tell about WordPress. What is the WordPress? It's a content management system that powers more than 35% of the websites around the world, and it's continuing to grow. A content management system is a web application that allows website owners, editors, and authors to manage their websites and publish content without any programming knowledge. WordPress uses PHP and MySQL, which is supported by nearly and all web hosts. Using a specialized WordPress hosting plan can also give you an edge in terms of speed, performance, and reliability. A content management system is often used for blogging, but a WordPress site can easily be turned into an e-commerce store, portfolio, newspaper, website, or anything else you heard deserves. One of the best things about WordPress is that comes with intuitive and user-friendly interface. If you know how to use Microsoft Word, you will be able to create and publish content easily. Now I want to show for you edit post, like how to do it with WordPress by using WordPress. Here is showing how to do posts and by WordPress. Okay, let's take a look. The best part is that WordPress is open source and free for everyone to use. It allows millions of people around the world to have a high quality modern website. Okay, so I want to tell to you what kinds of website can I create with WordPress. First is blogs and portfolios, business sites, charity sites, online shops. If you have any blogs, by using WordPress you can start small with minimal cost, for instance with Holsinger starter plan. Then as your blog gets more and more exposed, you can upgrade to more advanced options. And about portfolios, artists, photographers, musicians, writers, and other creative professionals and freelancers frequently use WordPress to build their online portfolios. Okay, next is business sites. If you have a small business, you will also find WordPress to be a good solution for your website. Also, WordPress is extremely popular. Use CME. It's more and more frequently used by large corporations too. Also, next is charity sites. As a WordPress has a low cost and thanks to WordPress, these days more non-profits have an online presence than ever before. Also, last one is online shop. By using WordPress, you can also create your online shop. Okay, now I want to tell about Jooma. Jooma is a free and open source content management system for publishing web content. Over the years, Jooma has won several awards. It's a build and model view controller web application framework that can be used independently of the content management system that allows you to build powerful online applications. Also, I want to tell about features for Jooma. It's multilingual and responsive in nature, easy to use, security, and Jooma form. So I want to show how its Jooma looks like. Jooma is extends directly to a place where you can find numerous extents to exchange functionality of your website. From here and from there, you can change it if you want to create something better. And development of website design using Photoshop. By using Photoshop, you can create cool and more interesting website pages, like these pictures on the putting just picture of that your title will be on the picture, and if you have some online shop for dogs, I don't know, for cats, for like this, you can put like this picture by using Photoshops. Okay, Photoshop is great tool for designing a website, but it's also very complicated. There are always new design trends and techniques emerging. However, thanks to generous designers who share their techniques online, you can easily brush up your Photoshop skills with some helpful tutorials. Doesn't matter if you are looking to create portfolio website, corporate them, web pages, templates, or a simple personal website. There are always Photoshop tutorial with a step-to-step guide showing you how to turn a blank canvas into a complete layout. Also, style sheets. Style sheet language used to describe the presentation of documents written in HTML or including XML. Describes how elements should be rendered on screen, on the paper, on speech, or on other media. MySQL database system. I want to tell about MySQL. Is a freely available open source relation database management system that uses structured query language. SQL is the most popular language for adding, accessing, and managing content in the database. It's most noted for its quick processing, proven reliability, ease, and the flexibility of use. Here is MySQL documentation and also tutorial. You can see from this screen how to look MySQL database system. Okay guys, this is end of our laboratory work, and you have some tasks for doing it, and try to do it. Answer the question and give to your answer to your teacher for checking it. Here is also control question. Try to answer for this and give your answer to your teacher for checking it. Okay, thank you for your attention. This is end of our laboratory work. Thank you. Goodbye.